Okay, question 2 on the foundation paper 2. Write the number this in words. Now, if you need any help with this, it's video 362 on Corbett Maths. What this means is effectively just how would you say that number. Okay, so that's your ones column or your units, tens, hundreds. The 0 would be in the thousands. So remember that these things go up each time by 10. So if that's thousands, that's going to be the 10,000s, isn't it? So that is 20,056. Another way to remember it is that if you break it up into groups of 3 digits, those first 3 are just normal. After that, you've then got hundreds, tens, and units of thousands. So if we look at the second grouping after the 3, we've got a 20 in that grouping. So that means that's definitely 20,000 and then 56. Right, part B. This one, inequalities are 176 in Corbett Maths. Here's an inequality. Write down in words what this inequality means. Loads of different ways to think about this. I know quite a lot of people talk about sort of crocodiles, so when you get something like that, think about it as a mouth. And it will always want to eat the bigger one. Okay? So it means that it's eating this 8. So the 8 is bigger than 5. Should really say is greater than 5. That's what we call it. Another way of thinking of it is that inequalities are that mean, and it was point and laugh at the little one. So it's pointing at 5, so 5 is the smaller one. So 8 is bigger than 5. Okay, greater than 5. Right, part C. This one is all about place value, which is video 222 and Corbett Maths. So here's some cards. Arrange 5 of these cards to make a 5-digit number so that there is 6 in the hundreds place and a 4 in the tens place. Okay, so this is my number down here. That's going to be the units, tens, so that's where the 4 is going to have to go. Hundreds, so that's where the 6 is going to have to go. And then I'm going to put whatever I want in all the other ones as long as they appear up here. So I'm just going to put 1, 2, and 3 in them. So 1, 2, 3, like that. So that number has a 6 in the hundreds and a 4 in the tens column. Part 2, multiply your answer by 10. What is the new place value with a 6? Well, when we times things by 10, everything shifts one place to the left, which is why we end up with having putting the 0 in there as like a placeholder. So the 6 would shift 1 to the left and turn into the thousands. Right, so we end up going into there. Right, and then part D. Which of the fractions below has the same value as the 3 in this number? Now remember that after the decimal point, the first column is tenths, the second column is hundredths. So we want 3 hundredths. So can we see that anywhere? 3 over 10, no, 3 over 1,000, no, 3 over 1, no. This one, 3 over 100. Okay, so let's have a little look at the mark scheme for this one. So we're looking at question 2. A, again, B1, no working out involved here, and it just has to be right. 20,056. 20,056. So that's B1. I've got that one right there. 2B. 8 is greater than 5, is more than 5, or equivalent. So is bigger than 5. That is the equivalent for that. So again, no working out required. It's independent, but I've got that mark, got that right. B1. Right? Right. 2C. Again, this is an independent mark. If you look at what it's saying here, it's saying X, Y, 6, 4, Z, where X, Y, and Z are non-repeating digits from the list. What that means is, as long as it has 6 and 4 in the correct place there, so you've got something, something, 6, 4, something, where the numbers don't repeat each other. So I couldn't have put a 4 there and a 6 there, then a 6 there and a 4 there. Couldn't have put a 4 there, sorry, and a 6 there. If I'm using a 6 and a 4 there, that's fine. So this is fine. So it's saying as long as you've got a 6 and a 4 there, and I've just chosen 3 other numbers from up here to put in there, that's sound. Okay. So I've got that as a B1 as well. And then part C2, saying thousands. again, another B mark. And then part D, 3 over 100 identified. So we're sorted with that. So we've got 3 over 100 identified down there. So we get a B mark for that one. Right, so that's question 2 done.